The central purpose of GMP is clear. It is to ensure that medicines are consistently manufactured and controlled so they meet approved specifications and remain safe throughout their life cycle. This consistency matters because even small variations can affect product quality, which is why GMP focuses on prevention rather than correction. That preventive focus is reflected in a set of practical aims that shape how GMP activities are carried out. The below principles form the key aims of GMP. Building quality into every stage of production by embedding controls from raw materials through to the finished product. Reducing risks that testing alone cannot detect, such as contamination, mix-ups, or data errors. Maintaining a validated state of control so that facilities, equipment, and methods operate within defined and qualified limits. Documenting activities transparently by creating clear evidence that work was performed according to approved instructions. And protecting patients and public health through ensuring that every released batch can be trusted for its intended use. Together, these aims form the foundation of good manufacturing practice. They guide how pharmaceutical processes are designed, performed, and documented so that quality is built in from the start. This approach is essential to protecting patients and maintaining trust in medicinal products.